George Andrew Janis.
Elizabeth C. Logler.
Nearly 3,000 people were killed in the 2001 attacks on the World Trade Center, the Pentagon, and on board of Flight 93, which crashed in Pennsylvania. This year, more children born after the attacks are reading the names of victims as new generations take over the responsibility of remembering the day that changed our nation. The moments are for when planes hit the towers, these moments of silence, the Pentagon, and when Flight 93 crashed in Shanksville, also when those towers fell. In Washington, D.C., the Pentagon unfurled a giant flag from the roof of the building. 184 people were killed there when hijacked Flight 77 struck the defense building.
I once was lost, but now am found. 'Twas blind, but now I see.
Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin placed a wreath at the memorial site at the Pentagon and told the crowd that the Pentagon will always remember their loved ones' sacrifice. In Shanksville, Pennsylvania, a service is happening at the Flight 93 National Memorial. There they read the names of those on board and rang bells for each passenger and flight crew member. Everyone on board died when they decided to fight back against the hijackers, crashing that plane ultimately into a field. President Biden and Vice President Harris will be there this afternoon for the ceremony. Illnesses related to September 11th have now killed more members of the New York Fire Department than the number of firefighters who lost their lives on the day of the attacks. 343 members of the New York Fire Department died on September 11th, 2001. In the years following, 370 have died from World Trade Center related illnesses. It's happening as groups fight for more federal funding to help those who are sick. First responders want to pass the Health Funding Correction Act to secure coverage of firefighters' medical costs before 9/11 becomes a more distant memory.
We all know coworkers that are sick. Some of them are nearing the end of their fight.
The numbers don't paint the picture of how people are suffering, how people have become dependent on quality medical care. And although they're alive in life, they are not necessarily living.
Thousands of new patients still enroll in the World Trade Center Health Program every year. Cancer is a frequent diagnosis.